Today's helpful tip from Roger of Keywebco.net. Welcome. Today's helpful tip video is to take you through some of the features available at Keywebco.net. Our menu is loaded with so much content and free apps that a lot of people have a hard time finding the things they need. You have definitely found the key to the web company. I started selling online textbooks years ago, and I had a hard time finding the information I needed, so I decided to make it free, or almost free. Our website services are designed for small businesses without a large budget. You can always find all of the services available at our listing on our website pack page. Very soon, I will be adding more blog size options and other services to Keywebco. You simply select the service that you are interested in and choose it from the scroll down menu, which will appear at the bottom of the page on a mobile. I highly recommend everybody get the Helpful Tips member access page. It's only $5 for a lifetime of access. You can always click on the Strikingly link and get a free website, do it yourself, or I can do it for you too. I have examples of sections available on a basic website. Our blog and archive section is loaded with all the information you could ever need for life and for business. One of the things that you will enjoy also is our feed to WordPress. A lot of our videos and other content also appear on our WordPress site. If you do opt in for member access, you will have the links for everything you need to open a business, run a business, and remain successful. The Ultimate app also contains the blog information with a lot of those resources available within it. You just simply click on the Ultimate app, which will work on any device. Then you simply choose whatever topic that you might happen to be needing to know about. It includes all kinds of topics from business, SEO, to home and garden. It also has other resources available within it. Keywebco started out as a reseller, so shopping is our main focus. We have our own stores as well as massive numbers of affiliate stores you should check out. We also provide our Helpful Tips app free to anyone. You do not have to be a member to get it. The Keywebco app contains everything that you would need. All of these are available in the Apps and Tools section available at Keywebco.net. I also have systems to help you make money with affiliate marketing and selling, and also ways to grow your traffic and business. Like all of my sites and apps, I always load everything with additional helpful tips, even on the money page. If you like Pinterest, you will love our pin page. As a matter of fact, even with a free basic site from Strikingly, you can do these Pinterest apps. I have in mind my Pinterest network, but don't think you just have to put products. You are more than welcome to use the Pinterest app within your Strikingly website to sell items. If they click it, they will be able to buy it from whatever store you pinned it from. But I also enjoy adding my blogs and other resources to my Pinterest pages. All of that is available on my pin page. One of the links in the menu leads to our live show page, where you can find our Helpful Tips show, which we do weekly on Thursday. And you can also find my daily vlogs, which I do about 8 o'clock each morning, and upload those to the YouTube channel. Sometimes, and rarely now, I will also do live streaming. Those are embedded also in the footer or on the live page at Keywebco.net. The YouTube channel is, of course, the Keywebco YouTube channel. Every Thursday at 7 p.m. Central Standard Time, I record the Thursday show. If you scroll down to the bottom of the page and click on any of my pages, you will see a chat window pop up. On Tuesday at 7 p.m. Central Standard Time, I am always available in the chat window. The messages, of course, are live chat and pop up. Simply enter your email and you will be able to contact me either through emails or if we're both live, we can talk and chat right on the screen. My favorite page to kill time, of course, is the games page. We have all kinds of games there. You can also play my favorite game, which is Mahjong Connect. I play Mahjong all the time, even when I'm working. I also have a link available that you can add games to your website, and it explains how to embed them. You can even make some money on games. Available on all of my Keywebco sites, including our apps, is the Recipes for You app and page. You will love that. The Recipes for You app is one of my first apps, and I have been working on it for many years. This is the newest version, which we go through sections of different courses available. There's tips in PDF format and a lot of extra information in our Recipes for You app. More is being added all the time. I enjoy the recipes that are in there because those are easy to embed and share anywhere you wish. They are copyright free. Need a website? Want to make it yourself or have us make it? I have some templates available so you can see what sections you can add to your website. Just click on any of the templates, and though they are not finished and they are not complete websites, it'll give you an idea of what you can do. The last section that we're going to discuss today is the About Us page. Now that is the last section of the page that you click to. Under the footer, there's also an enormous amount of information. That happens to be my traffic globe. It shows how many people come to my site. Another thing that is pretty cool below the footer is our podcasts. Simply push the button and you can hear the latest ones. Again, you will see a duplicate copy of our daily vlog below the footer of all of our pages. Our Thursday Helpful Tip Show is also embedded below the footer. That is the best place to catch all of our shows. For convenience, we have also added the link to our Ultimate app, so you can find all the information you need below our footer too. If you would like to tweet something that I say all the time, and I truly believe, there's also that link below the footer. Need to have content? Need to find out what's going on in the world? We have our daily edition newspaper, which has everything you could possibly want to know, and it's all new every 24 hours from the best sources online. Thank you for watching my summary of some of the things available at keywebco.net. I am Roger Keyserling, and I look forward to seeing you there.